Good evening.
Good evening. Hi, good evening. How are you?
I'm good. How are
I'm good.
you?
How are you? I'm
Thanks for
also
asking.
good. How was your day?
Quite
Quite
busy.
busy. All right. Anything that became the highlight of your day so far?
My
My
brother
brother
visited here,
visited
like
here,
my
like
cousin,
my
sorry.
cousin, sorry. Oh, all right. Instead of saying visited here, could you say my cousin came over?
Came over.
Came
Okay,
over.
my
Okay.
cousin
My
came
cousin
over.
came over. All right. Had you met your cousin after a long time?
We both are living in
We both are
Kathmandu, but
living in
it's been
Kathmandu,
2 months
it's been
now.
2 months now. We both live in Kathmandu.
We both live
We
in
both live
Kathmandu.
in Kathmandu. Okay, but you'd met after 2 months.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. How is Kathmandu as a place to live in?
Very pleasant
Very
weather,
pleasant weather.
but
Pleasant.
uh,
Pleasant.
pleasant.
Pleasant. Hmm. Yeah.
And
And
pollution is
pollution
very high.
is very high. Pollution is high in Kathmandu? I thought it was in the hills, so the pollution would be lower. No?
Yeah.
No. Wow. That is very shocking to hear. So,
Yeah.
Since when have you been living in Kathmandu?
It's been 3
It's
years
been
now.
3 years now. All right. So, how do you like it over the 3 years? Is it a good place to live in other than the weather? What are the
2
resources
years
available?
2 years in
In
lockdown,
lockdown.
and yeah,
Yeah.
last
So
one
it
year,
must have been a nice place
1
in
year,
lockdown.
right? Okay,
Right. Okay.
but in
But
lockdown,
in lockdown,
I could
I
see
could see
mountains,
mountains. Ooh, yes.
but now it's
But now it's
smoky
smoky.
because of
Again.
pollution.
Oh. Pollution.
Yeah,
How was your time in lockdown? Was it a pleasant? Was it an easy and a happy time for you?
yeah.
Yeah.
We stayed at home.
Stayed
That's
at
it.
home. That's it. All right. Okay. Well, I understand you've reached a very interesting number of sessions here. This is your 99th session.
Oh, wow.
Wow. You didn't realize?
No.
No. All right. So, how have your sessions been so far, and what are you trying to work on now? Maybe I could help you with that.
When I have to
When I
write,
have to write,
I don't make
I don't
any
make any
grammatical mistakes.
mistakes. Okay.
Grammarly mistake
Grammarly mistake?
or
Grammatical, not grammarly, grammatical.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But while
But while
speaking,
speaking,
my
my
tenses
tenses
goes
goes
incorrect,
incorrect,
and
and
yeah, I
yeah,
forgot
I
words
forgot words
that I want to
that
say.
I want to say. Mm-hmm. All right. You forget words that you want to say. Mhm. So what we will do is we'll do two activities in the session today. We're going to start with your daily routine. So can you please tell me your daily routine from morning till night?
Morning
Morning to night, your daily routine.
I wake up at
I wake up at
5:30, 5:45
5:45
a.m.
a.m.
and then I
Then
make
I
tea for
make
me,
tea for me,
and then
and
I
then
go
I
for my
go
daily
for my
routine,
daily routine,
and then I
and
have to
then
make
I have to make
breakfast.
breakfast.
I
I
wake up
wake
Divyam,
up Divyam,
my son.
my son.
I get ready
I
him
get
for
ready
school.
him for school. I get him ready for school.
I get him
I
ready
get him
for
ready
school,
for school,
and
and
I have to
I
drop
have
him
to
to
drop
school.
him for school. Not have to. See, have to you say when you're talking about a compulsion. Okay, you have to
Okay.
do this. You may or may not want to, but you have to. But for this, you can simply say that I get my son ready for school and I get my son ready and drop him to school. Simple. I
I
drop
get
him
my
to
son
school. I
ready
get
and
my son ready
drop
and
him to
drop him
school.
to school. Okay, then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
After that,
After that,
I prepare
I
breakfast
prepare
for everyone,
breakfast for everyone,
my in-laws
my
and my
in-laws and
husband.
my husband. Okay.
Uh,
Uh,
then after
then
breakfast,
after
I wind
breakfast,
up
I wind up
kitchen
All right.
and then I get ready, go to school. I have recently joined school,
Okay, that's wonderful.
so
And how do you
then
contribute to it?
and at 10 o'clock I go to school. Then I come back at 2 p.m.
Uh-huh.
Then I
Okay.
go to pick up Divyam from school.
Pick him up. So like
Yeah.
pick up, when you say such words, so the subject comes in between. Pick him up, wake him up, like that.
Pick Divyam up, or
You can say pick Divyam up. That's also fine. The subject will come in between.
okay, pick Divyam up from school.
Yes.
Then after coming home, we have some tea and snacks.
All right.
Then I help Divyam with his homework. Then then I go to kitchen for dinner stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I prepare
For dinner preparation, let's call it dinner preparation.
dinner preparation, and I prepare dinner. Then I just sit for 10 or 15 minutes, just scroll my Insta feed.
Mhm.
This is the time when I take some Clapingo classes mostly.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, and I learn some new words.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I play with my son for some time,
Okay.
and then at 8 p.m. we have dinner.
Mhm.
Again, I wind up kitchen,
Yeah.
and yeah, at 9:30 we go to bed.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's a beautiful schedule. You're eating on time, sleeping on time, waking up on time. Wonderful.
I go to bed by 9:30, but Divyam wants to listen stories every day, and every day new story.
All right. So, what type
So
of stories
sleeping
does he like
time will
listening
be
to?
10:30 or 11 p.m.
That's right. But you try to you at least go to bed at 9:30. You sleep
Yeah.
later.
Yeah,
Okay. Which is Vivian's favorite story?
he has no favorite story. He wants to listen new story every day.
Ah, all right. So, which story will you be telling
I
him
can't
today?
repeat the story.
You can't repeat the stories. That is a very tricky
So now
attitude here.
I started tell the stories of Mahabharata and Ramayana. So I have so many characters. Like
So, do you also like act out
one day
characters?
Arjuna, one day Krishna, one day Hanuman, and like that.
Do you also act out the stories?
No,
All right. So, what story will you be telling him tonight? Do you prepare the stories in advance?
no, I don't know. I know of the stories, so I will try with. I think I will tell him today about Yudhishthir.
About Yudhishthir. Can you tell me about Yudhishthir? I would love to know it from you.
Okay, it's difficult in English. Yeah.
It's fine. That's why we're doing it. I know.
So Yudhishthir was Kunti's first, Pandu and Kunti's first son,
Okay.
and they prayed to Lord Dharmaraj
Okay.
to get him.
Okay. All right.
So Dharmaraj gifted them Yudhishthir. So Yudhishthir has quality of Dharmaraj.
All right. What were the qualities of
He did not tell a lie. Is it
He
correct?
he does not lie. He did not lie. Sorry, did
Wait,
not
wait,
lie.
wait. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Where were
So
we?
he did not lie. He never lied.
He never lies. Divyam, please.
Why don't you have him sit down with you and he could also listen to the story if he's not letting you be in the session? I wouldn't mind him being
playing
with
with?
you.
He's playing with his friends,
All right, okay.
and he has a pigeon.
He has a pigeon?
Yeah, and he was playing with him, and suddenly he saw a cat. That's why he's rushing.
So
Like he will
Divyam has a pet
hurt.
pigeon?
Yeah, Divyam.
Oh my god, I never knew pigeons could be domesticated.
We didn't
Wow.
buy it. I think he was ill or something. He couldn't fly.
Yeah.
See, we were feeding him, and now he don't want to go.
Now he doesn't want to leave.
Yeah. He
And
doesn't
like, where
want
does
to
he stay?
fly
Where does he stay?
at home. He don't
Does
like cave. He stays out of caves.
All right, okay. So like he eats with you. Does he know you guys?
I don't know. It's been I think 7 or 8 days now.
It's been 7-8 days.
Yeah.
Wow. So like, how does it go? So like, he's at home even at night. He doesn't like to leave.
Yeah. Whenever we try him to fly
Fly him away.
him away, he come back at home.
Does he know how to fly?
Yeah, quite well, I think.
But he likes being at home.
Yeah, I don't know why.
And what does he eat? What do you feed him?
Rice and we eat roti, chapatis.
Yeah.
We give chapati to him and rice, and dal, pulses also.
Okay. It's okay. You can say dal roti. It's fine. And does he create any menace in the house?
He's very quiet and he stays at his place.
He's a very quiet animal.
Yeah.
Well, look at him. Look at him peeping here and there. Wow. Wow. I'm so taken aback by it. I do not know how to respond. What do you call him?
Divyam calls him wish fly.
Wish fly.
Yeah.
Has he started to recognize his name? Can pigeons do that?
Yeah, he always plays with him, so I think he knows.
How does he play with him?
He put it in on his head or hands or shoulders and roam around.
God. Wow. I really hope he never goes away.
Yeah.
This is such a cute animal he's chosen to stay with you.
Yeah.
Wow.
He has his fixed place. If I will leave him here, he will go to his place.
Oh, really? That's a smart pigeon. I've never considered pigeons to be smart. They at least look very
Okay.
dumb.
You Divyam has a Insta channel. You can see videos of him with pigeon.
All right.
It's Divyam dash divine light.
All right, I will check that out. But look at this animal.
It's
Wow.
cute.
And it's also a very unique pigeon, no? Like usually pigeons are only gray. He has white and gray feathers.
Yes.
Wow, you guys must feel special about it. Yeah, I think these pigeons are a rarity.
That it's not good when pigeons make noise at home.
Does he make any noise?
Yeah, they also have language, no?
Yeah. So I mean, people also say it's not good when dogs howl, but like this is them saying like, when dogs shouldn't howl, it means it's bad news. But they're animals. It's okay. What will
Yeah,
they do? They're talking in their own ways.
yeah. So
So
I think when he feels when he is hungry, he will speak up.
or maybe they're just bored. Like if animals live alone, so they'd like to do something.
Yeah.
So wow. I am so fascinated by it. Thank you for introducing me to Wishfly. And yeah,
Welcome.
I'll quickly tell you. You spoke well. There weren't any mistakes, but there were a couple of things which I pointed you out for. Like, see, I did not say point out you for, pointed you out for. In such things, we put the subject in between, in the center.
Okay.
So just focus on those little small things here and there. Rewatch the session recording and note them down, because these are small things they slip away, right? So
Okay.
focus on them. Maybe read, if you write them down somewhere. Check them out before the next session so that you don't repeat those mistakes then.